Generative AI tools are everywhere, but not all are built the same. Adobe Firefly was designed with intention, shaped by what matters most to people who make things, like you. We've heard you want generative AI tools that are built ethically, and you want features that make collaboration genuinely easier. Firefly supports both, so you can stay focused on what you're making. Firefly models are designed to be commercially safe and respect creator rights. So whatever you make with its models, you can actually use. No guesswork. Ethics and safety aren't afterthoughts. They're built into every step of our product development process. And Adobe takes a thoughtful, evolving approach to generative AI, one that grows alongside the technology itself. Here's why that matters. When you use Firefly, you can create with confidence, knowing outputs are designed to be commercially safe. Some generative AI models pull data from across the internet, often without permission. Not Firefly. Firefly models are trained on licensed content, including Adobe stock, public domain content where copyright has expired, and other openly licensed material. Firefly is never trained on customer content, and Adobe compensates stock contributors whose work helps train our models. That's meaningful, not just to you, but to your organization and clients too, because it means what you're making with Firefly is grounded in clear, responsible training data. As a creator, creative professional, or business leader, you likely hold your tools to a high standard, especially when it comes to the values they represent. Firefly helps you reflect those values with confidence. Firefly undergoes continuous testing to help avoid harmful stereotypes. This includes both automated systems and human reviewers. For features with the highest potential impact, we bring in our AI Ethics Review Board, a group of people with a wide range of backgrounds and experiences. And if you ever see something that doesn't feel right, we make it easy to report it. Firefly is built on an ethical foundation, but that's only one part of the story. Firefly being built with a creator-first mindset means it also helps teams collaborate in new, more powerful ways. One of the earlier barriers to any creative project is getting the very first visuals on paper or on screen. Even for seasoned designers, building out multiple versions of a concept can eat up time. Firefly eases that burden with tools like text-to-image. Say you're kicking off an ad campaign. You can generate high-quality concept images using everyday language prompts, even if you don't have design training. Then you can explore and refine ideas by adjusting your prompt until the direction feels right to your team. And speaking of teams, Firefly Boards is built for shared creativity. Boards is a collaborative generative AI-first canvas where you and your teammates can ideate, remix, and align on creative direction, all in one place. It's a space for mood boarding, sparking ideas, and exploring creative concepts together. You can quickly test variations and shape your vision in real time. Firefly wasn't built to chase trends. It was built to support creatives with outputs you can actually use. While other tools might make you question whether what you just made is truly yours, Firefly was designed to give you clarity and confidence. It's a tool that respects your work, your process, and your ownership. That's why it's worth staying fluent in how your creative tools are built and why that matters. So now that you've seen how and why Adobe built Firefly with an ethical foundation that supports creative collaboration, you're ready to put it to work. Use Firefly as a creative edge you can trust, because when your tools reflect your values, you're not just creating, you're leading.